The mayor is ramping up work to clean the city. He even put on gloves and joined in the work. The work includes DPW, transportation, and the housing department.
Over the next 90 days, we will repair 9,000 potholes, remove 900 graffiti markings and illegal posters, resurface 9 miles of city roads, and ramp up enforcement of illegal dumping at targeted hot spots like this one here in Westport.
This blitz was preceded by an internal assessment of service delivery, reviewing staffing models, equipment availability, and opportunities for service optimization. Mark Washington is the executive director of Coldstream Homestead Montebello Community Corporation. He says he's happy to see the city removing graffiti in his neighborhood.
Seeing this type of effort helps to re-instill, even on a small basis, hope that, better days are ahead.
Those who are caught illegally dumping will face serious fines and charges.
When we catch individuals that are illegally dumping and we have sufficient evidence, we criminally prosecute them. We have attorneys that work at the Department of Housing that are cross-designated as assistant city state's attorneys and city solicitors. So we go after them with criminal penalties.
This commitment to graffiti removal in neighborhoods like this that are plagued by it. So for me, it's one of the better things the city could do to help our neighborhood improve and also improve the quality of life for residents.
After the 90 days, the city will assess other areas that need attention in the city and make those areas the focus of their work. Residents are encouraged to submit their service requests through 311. Lisa Robinson, WBAL TV 11 News.